I was once like you, an overwhelmed entrepreneur who traded time for money, spending countless hours training new hires for the same positions over and over. After leaving work, I came home and continued working. Why? When returning home after a long day, I still had unread emails to answer, family members to attend to. Let's not forget my beloved Pomeranian Blue. Because most of my time was spent training staff to ensure that each job was completed successfully, the time I had to manage day-to-day activities in my business was limited. My business started to suffer. When I first started my business, my response time to customers was less than an hour. However, with the influx in my business, my quality of service started to change. When I built my business, the customer's need and exceptional customer service was, and still is, my focus. So I became frustrated after noticing the change until I decided enough was enough. Do you want to stop trading time for money? Join me and say no more. No more losing valuable time and working hours. No more turning down contracts because your staff isn't trained yet. No more saying no to spending time with your family. No more limiting your growth in your business. No more missing out on contracts because of my response time. We've created a course that trains your staff on the best practices of whatever industry you specialize in, whether post-construction or medical office cleaning. This course also ensures that you don't waste any time or resources organizing training sessions. All the information that your staff needs is available on demand 24/7 whenever they need it. This way, you can train your current staff and improve the quality of your cleaning service at a fraction of the cost and time commitment it takes with other training methods. Even better, new staff can undergo the same training and acquire the same skills. But we're not just talking about theoretical knowledge. The course also contains video demonstrations performed by individuals who have spent years in the cleaning industry. They show the best practices according to the strict cleaning guidelines and rules. In the end, your staff will also get a chance to ask questions and test unique scenarios they might encounter and take a quiz to ensure they know enough to represent your company positively. On the other hand, if you're simply looking for a visual guide for your staff, the course can be just as useful. In summary, this course provides on-demand training for your cleaning crew, time-saving because you no longer have to worry about organizing training, updated information on cleaning practices specific to your industry, training that can be accessed as many times as needed, video demonstrations that show everything in detail, tests and quizzes that assess their knowledge, great visual guides for training. To learn more on how to enroll in our online course, visit our website at flockscommercialcleaningservice.com or give us a call for your pre-screening at 1-800-516-4017.